Welcome back, nail crew. Welcome back. In this video, I'm cleaning my nail room, you guys, and I'm firing my assistant. By the end of the video, y'all are gonna say, yup, I would have fired her ass too. All right, now before we get into that, let's give a hey, girl, hey. Hey, LESA. I hope I said that correctly. Thank you so much for the donation. This donation came in during my morning journal session, you guys. Get yourself a journal. That's all I'm saying. So to answer your question, I do have 2 open giveaways right now, and I will leave the link to both of those videos in the description box, okay? So during the video, I tell you exactly what to do and how to win. So just watch the video, and it's very, very simple. So again, I'll leave the link to both of those videos in the description box. And thank you so much for the donation. I pray the universe brings it to you tenfold. This is so embarrassing. This is so embarrassing to have my nail room look like this. But y'all know what? This didn't happen on purpose, and it damn sure didn't happen all in one day. But this is what it looked like. I'm so embarrassed. I'm so embarrassed.
Oh gosh.
So
hard work.
So now I'm about to clean it up, and hopefully I find a spot for everything that doesn't have a spot. All right, y'all, let me explain real quick why my room looks like this. Okay, so I had my nail room, right? And then I had a separate room, which was like my office, and it held like most of my supplies. Well, that room is now being converted into a bedroom. So I had to take all of that stuff out, and now I had to try to combine it all in my nail room. So now my nail room is my nail room / storage. And so, yeah, it looks a hot mess. It really, really does. But I don't know. I'm just so hopeful that I can find a place for everything that doesn't have a place. And I have my little assistant here helping me. So between both of us, I think it should be okay. I think that's good. Okay, now take this. And like, there's, oh my gosh, all that stuff on the floor.
Yeah, that's all I'm saying.
All right, so let's move that. And then we could put it on the shelf.
Ooh, I better be looking good too. You better be on your face.
You look great.
Okay.
All right, nail crew, pause. Okay, let me just point out, because she does get fired by the end of the video. Let me just point out, this was the last productive thing she has done to help me in this nail room. As you guys watch the video, you will see. She gets all wrapped up in the nail world, and she forgets that she's supposed to be helping me. She had to get the boot. So, okay, let's continue. All right, y'all, let me show you the progress that we have so far. It don't look good, but it looked better than we started. I know that looked crazy with all them things just piled up there, but I just had to get them out the way for now. So, yeah, that's what we got over there. It's a hot mess still, but I see the progress. I see the progress. It don't look like progress is being made, but look, I can see the floor. All those crates that were piled up right there, emptied. I put them in a drawer. Like, it's coming along. It's coming along.
It looks more roomy.
It looks a little bit more roomy. Like, yeah. Continue on. Look at Drea. She ain't helping a goddamn thing. She over there picking out what polishes she wants, sipping coffee. Picking out what polishes she wants, sipping coffee. Thanks, Drea. Thanks for your help. Jeez. All right, so this is my overflow. Hold on, let me fix this. Why is that not flat? Okay, this is my overflow lamps area. This is the overflow e-file area. And then this is products that I got in that I have to do videos on. So it looked crazy, but Again, I see progress. I see progress. Moving on, moving on. Dria's still over here going through polishes. Y'all, I told her she could take this and put a few colors in here so she could go home and do her nails sometime. Yes. She went from taking a few colors, like 1 or 2 colors, to obviously she's asking me now for another container. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No other container for you. What you need to do is put some of these colors back. That's what you need to do and make it fit.
So good.
If it don't fit in the container, that means it's too much. Look, she opening new things to take more polishes to put in a container that can't even hardly close. No, man. You ain't getting another container, though. You not getting another container, though. That's the thing. So what don't fit, don't fit.
All right, I'm going to get a plastic bag.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, you will not. No, ma'am, you will not. All right, so this is where we are. This is where we are. And, yep, another update coming soon. So earlier when I said all she did was help move the couch and help with the shelf, okay, she did also make coffee, so I guess you could count that. But literally that was it. So right now I am having my coffee and Cheetos break because I have been working for a really, really long time. I've been on my feet and I'm just like tired. So she had these Cheetos and I decided to take a little munch. All right, y'all, so Drea has officially became no help. She's doing her own nails.
I got this acrylic off, next to go. Next to go.
So she's about to do her nails, but this is what the nail table looks like right now. A hot mess. But if she could figure it out in that mess, I'm just gonna let her rock. But anyway, I cleaned the top of my closet, which I'm very excited about. I got the crates organized up there, so I'm gonna fill that up with stuff very shortly. But just wanted to show the little progress that I have. All alone, working all alone, working all alone.
I feel so awkward holding this drill in my left hand.
Yeah, that's how it is when you're using the e-file with your opposite hand. It's like it feels weird.
I feel like I'm about to cut myself.
Yeah, just turn it down some.
I did.
You did?
Yeah.
And then change the rotation. See if that feels better.
I like just this one right here.
Is it on?
Yeah. Oh. That's too high.
Now, crew, my boss spirit should have taken over at this point and told her get her ass up and start cleaning. But my teacher spirit took over instead, and I ended up teaching her how to do nails. So I had to fend for myself. I had to clean up by myself until Aunt came, y'all.
You missed a spot.
Shut up. All right, now, crew, it's been about like 5 hours, maybe even 6. I'm tired. I'm working by myself. Well, Aunt came in to help vacuum, but pretty much I did all of this by myself, and this was a lot of work. It may not look like it, y'all. No, I'm gonna remind you of where we started, okay? So this is what the couch that he's vacuuming, this is what it looked like before. This is the nail table. This is where I had to fire my assistant right there in that moment. And this is what it looks like now, y'all. This is what it looks like now. I'm not finished. Like, I want to get a bunch of pillows for this couch. Like, I want to fill it with a bunch of really bright pillows. That ugly, shabby ass curtain in the back really got to go. Just, ugh, gross. I want to get rid of that. And I want to get better storage. Okay, I really want to get better storage. But for now, this is what it is because I am combining my storage room and my nail room for the moment. So it is what it is, you guys. I do have a real nail table. So the small table in the back, that's a real nail table. But the one in the front, that's like just like a regular table that I got from Walmart. And I use that one just because it's bigger. But anyway, this is yeah, this is what it is. This is what it is, you guys. I'm proud of myself. I did not think that I was going to make everything fit, but it fit. It really fit. I still have more things to do, but I'm tired. Okay, this was a lot for one day. I still got a lot of stuff to do, a lot. But yeah, like I said, this is a really good ending point for day one. And so what I'm about to show you guys is me clearing the energy in the room. So I do have my sage, and I'm going to burn my sage. Now this is so optional, you guys, very, very optional. But because the room was so junky and just like I just didn't want to do nails. I didn't want to do anything really, like look at the space, right? So I just want to use the sage and just go around the room and clear the energy. That's literally all I'm doing, is I'm clearing the energy. So I can't really do it and record, so I'm just giving you guys a quick little simulation. But when I put the phone down, I will actually do it for real. But basically I just go around and clean the negative energy from my space. So now I'm going to light incense. This is just some regular incense, but it's green and it matches my nails, y'all. And I was like, yes. So sage leaves like a kind of strong, almost like musty odor, you know, almost. And, you know, that's a strong smell. Not a lot of people can tolerate that smell. So I like to light either a candle or incense after my sage. And so I love candles. I have tons of candles, but I just pulled for my sage and my incense today. So it is what it is, you guys. My room is clean. It feels light. It feels airy. Now I'm just waiting for the good energy to just flow on in. Okay, so that is a wrap, nail crew. I love you guys. Thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you next time. Bye.